Sir, can you elaborate on T cell and B cell in depth?
हाँ, ये टी सेल बी सेल का मामला बहुत गंभीर है. It is very important to understand the significance, especially for a pediatrician. T cells and B cells are lymphocytes. T cell and B cells are structurally same. You cannot histopathologically differentiate between T cells and B cells because they are structurally same but functionally different. Both are formed in bone marrow. T cells and B cells both are formed in bone marrow. B cells remain in bone marrow, mature over there, and offer humoral immunity, antibodies. That is their function. They are formed in bone marrow, they stay there, they mature and function. On the contrary, T cells are formed in bone marrow. They travel to thymus, mature in thymus, and offer cellular immunity. T cells are not formed in thymus. Though they are called T cells, they mature in thymus, that's why they are labeled T. Then what is B? B cells are not bone marrow cells. T cells are also formed in bone marrow. B cells are called B because of bursa. Which bursa? What that name? Which bursa?
Bursa fabricius.
Bursa fabricia. Fabricia. That bursa fabricia, over years I forgot that name. Fabricia. But while I was doing my MD, I knew that fabricia. Now decades have gone, so I forgot that. So bursa. That's why it is called as BC. A newborn gets exposed to many microorganisms as he grows. T cells and B cells offer adaptive immunity. Adaptive immunity means immunity developed after exposure out of need. That is adaptive. At high altitudes, low oxygen, there are adaptive cardiovascular changes. one has to acclimatize or adaptive changes occurs. Similarly, viral infections, B cells are stimulated to provide antibodies against them. Bacterial infections stimulate thymus to release more T cells. So, infants can have large thymus, hypertrophic thymus. A large thymus shallow above heart in X-ray chest, APPA view. Is commonly seen in children. Large thymus is not essentially abnormal, but a pediatrician has to be aware of large thymus as lymphoid tissue. Tonsil is a lymphoid tissue. Is 300 times larger than adult up to 8 years. So around 8 years, 100% children have large looking tonsils. Large looking tonsil is not essentially abnormal by 8 years. After 8 years, the tonsil involutes, becomes small. Similarly, when the rate of infection and new microorganisms invading the child reduces, the need for large thymus goes away and thymus starts involuting, becoming smaller. And in older children and adults, you may not see thymus on X-ray. In that case, you have to go for MRI to detect thymus. But in children, it comes into differential diagnosis of cardiomegaly, figure of 8, or thymomas, mass in thymus. So we have to be aware of this business of T cell and B cell. T cell are cell-mediated immunity, thymus, maturing in thymus. B cells are humoral immunity, maturing in bone marrow. Both are manufactured in bone marrow, mature at different sites. Thank you.